Hi, my name is Betsy Muller. I'm a homeowner in Strongsville, Ohio, and we installed solar panels with YellowLite back in July of last year. And I have to say, it's been a great experience from start to finish. They were very professional. They came and followed up when they said they would be doing so. The installation itself was very easy. They told us what to expect. The crews were very courteous. They cleaned up. And most importantly, we had our solar panels working very shortly after the installation. So we've been getting money back from the electric company, which is really good. I think it is the right thing to do, and it was a good investment for us. So we're very pleased. Thank you.